Do you have what it takes to be the iPresident of the United States? Become a candidate. Join us on an unforgettable journey to impact the world. A voice of hope for the next generation.
Did you try spinning it? You're spinning the lock. Can you get it open?
No.
Okay. Here, let me try. Do you think they can hear what we're doing? I can't hear anything.
You think anyone's gonna hear our voices down here? Let me try.
I mean, we just gotta unlock it, then they'll hear us. Here, Nora, you try.
When a person witnesses an action that is wrong and fails to stand up for what is right, they often suffer of moral injury. It's an injury of anger, guilt, and shame that scars the soul. It's painful. Every day, our generation is confronted by moral and ethical dilemmas.
Our country suffers from the pain of a moral injury, the general decay of basic human decency. It's no secret that we Americans don't like pain. Each month, we medicate ourselves with 39 million prescriptions to battle anxiety.
You know, if a nation's suffering comes from moral injury, or leaders avoid the truth, our generation will remain slaves to anger and resentment. You know, novelist Edith Wharton described the wounded soldiers that had suffered extreme injuries in World War I. She noticed they were calm, meditative, strangely purified and matured. And Wharton observed, it is as though their great experience had purged them of pettiness, meanness, and frivolity, burning them down to the bare bones of character.
I mean, our founding documents of freedom, justice, and equality were built as sort of a dam to hold back the floodwaters. You know, one injustice, it's a small leak, right? But that small leak will lead to a disastrous flood, which is why when something is broken, it needs to be repaired. There we go.
You got it.
You can change hearts and minds. Audition for iPresident of the United States. You have a voice that matters. Real issues, real people.